Unboxing the Micro HDi complete. Let's go over each of the components included with your new lighting system. Micro power pack with holster and belt clip. Blue headlight cable. Wall charger. USB charging cable. Ultra Mini HDi headlight. Adjustment tools. Cable clip kit. Attach belt clip to holster. Now, let's set up your new lighting system. Attach headlight to T-mount bracket on the frame. The Micro HDi is compatible with the following headlights: Ultra Mini HDi, Ultra Mini SDi, Ultra Mini IR HDi. Angle the light to your desired position, then lock with the included adjustment tool. Locate the cable clip kit and select one of the spiral cable clips. Slide the cable clip onto the temple of the frame. Plug micro USB cable into headlight. Wrap the cable clip around the blue headlight cable. Now, plug the USB-A end of the headlight cable into the power pack. Press the power button on the pack to turn the headlight on. The light will cycle through high, medium, then off.